How to turn on your Amazon Fire Stick with or without remote. So in this video, I'm just going to show you that how you can control your Amazon Fire Stick with your phone. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you use iPhone. In the App Store, click the search box and search for Amazon Fire TV application. You simply have to click on the download button to download and install this app on your phone. That is official website or the official application launched to control the Amazon Fire Stick through your mobile phone. Now, once you will search this, the screen will appear like this. You have to click on the install button and get it on your phone. Once the app is installed, what you have to do is simply open that. Before proceeding, check the network connection, that if your Fire Stick need to be connected to the same network. Open to launch it. Now you have to select the name of your Fire Stick, that is available devices screen. To pair your smartphone with your Fire TV, type the code that appears on your TV into the app on your phone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.